Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see history on the YouTube app. So first go ahead and launch the YouTube app. And then all you need to do is come here at the bottom right. You will see your profile icon. So go ahead and click on that. And here you go. You will see this page. Now this page, you're able to see your history. So you can, come here and slide through to the right to see your history. If you want, you can view all. So I come click on view all, I can see it according to different days. I can come here, I can search for something specific. I'll actually show you a cool feature they have also. So I come click here at the top right on these three dots. I can click on manage all history. Now here I can actually see history of the different comments I've made, likes. So if I come click on interactions, I'll see all the video likes, dislikes I've made in different videos. If I come on comment likes and dislikes, you'll see the likes and dislikes I've made on different comments. So this is the history of comments and replies as well. So if I click on that, I scroll down here and we'll see the history of comments I have made on different videos and the respective dates. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.